Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy OCJ here, and we're here after like the second or third freeze. It's now January 19th. We got the wife here. It's January 19th. We got Snickers here. Hey, Snicky. Say hi, Snicky. Say hi, Snicky. And we are here to show you the update and what's been going on the farm. All right, so I'm gonna tell you right now, Djibouti Kaba. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right for all of you guys, but first we're gonna start off with our Mexican sunflower. It's seen better days. The cold has taken its toll on it. Hopefully the roots are still solid. We're gonna water and see how she comes back. Moving on through, we got the Djibouti Kabas here. The Djibouti Kabas and our dragon fruit got hit. Even though they can tolerate the cold, this is the blue Djibouti Kabas. And the blue Djibouti Kabas got definite hit. And there's another cold spell coming tonight. So there's got another night of this 20-something degree weather that we've been having here in North Florida. Over here, this is our red Djibouti Kaba. And as you can see, it got hit hard last night. But she's going to recover and she's going to do great. This is the white Djibouti Kaba. And even that one got hit with a cold really hard last night. I should have made the sprinklers run a second time in the night. I didn't think about it. But it is what it is. This is the yellow Djibouti Kaba. She got really pulled too. Going on over to the red over here that has fruits that were on it. Every one of those blossoms are gone now, as you can see. And the Djibouti Kaba, the cold definitely did some damage. The chickens over here, the passion fruit is definitely suffering right now. But look forward to the update. We're going to do something special with that. To my surprise though, some of the Djibouti Kabas might have got a little bit damaged. Some of them got a little bit hit harder. This is the Grimmel. The Grimmel looks really, really badly hit. We have things like our pineapple guava that extremely loves the cold weather. It stands up in the hot summer sun and the freezing cold weather. So if you want one that survives both weather, pineapple guava. This is our cherry tree. A few days of cold look like it's been getting to her. We're gonna set the water on her right now and let them get a nice fresh water in today. Early watering. We gotta wait till when we're moved away from all the pipes while we're videoing. Before we leave over here though, I'm gonna take you to a little special place though. This is my little greenhouse that I bought here. Best investment that I made. Because right now, I'm going to take you inside where the coal had to fight to get in there. Still did some damage, as you can see. Our June plum tree over here on the side looking beautiful and green. We got June plums still on the tree in here. We got to close the door. We don't want to let too much of the coal in. All right. We got mango trees, pepper trees. This is only the habitat. We got little cinnamons in here, some cinnamons. I know you like that cinnamon leaf. We got all different types of mangoes, and they are surviving in the cold. You could tell that the ones that were resting on the greenhouse plastic got a little damage, but it's okay. It's way warmer in here. That much I could tell you. It feels like Jamaica in here. Let's keep going around. Look at that. Even our apple tree right here, this is called a Malay apple. Got a little green coming out back finally after being destroyed by the cold the other day. We have mangoes on the right, mangoes on the left. We got sour sops. It is absolutely wonderful in here. The temperature in here feels like how I want it to be outside. And look, guys, you actually might get to see us pick a pepper today out of our garden. Let's see what we got. Your boy OCJ got a Scotch bonnet pepper here. Is it ready? Nah, we're going to leave it for another day or two. Another day or two, guys. That Scotch bonnet pepper needs another day or two. We got some white sorrel that we're going to use about the seeds for those.
I'm coming around. I'm on the TikTok live.
Oh yeah.
Trying to show them all of our stuff.
Here we go,
Let me see
guys.
if I can-
We got fresh growth on the mangoes. Look at all of these.
Let me see.
We got all the fresh growth. Come stand up, baby. You can stand up right here. Put your head right here.
Look at that, guys.
Fresh growth on the mangoes. Look at all of this. This right here is a pickering. We got fresh growth. Hopefully those are blossoms because we had fruits on that last year. This is our coconut cream. Fresh growth right there. So the cold didn't get do any damage to our mangoes. And we got lots of different trees in here.
Oh my
The wife
gosh.
and I are in here together, see? In a little tight space. It's a little walkway that we made. We had to stuff all the plants in here.
But you gotta save the mango trees and all the other ones that we really, really love, like our
Sour.
Scotch bonnet and all that stuff.
Oh yeah, we ain't
Sour
lose no
stuff.
pepper yet. A lot of people
No.
losing pepper. I should have moved some of the Malabar spinach and Guyanese callaloo in here because they got really badly damaged. And all of my tomatoes got damaged. But luckily, the peppers are holding up strong. We got all kinds of little peppers in here growing. And that's what we really need for our garden. Alright guys, that's just a short video. We give you another update on the rest of the yard. We wanted to just kind of show you what's going on, give you an update what's going on in the greenhouse, let you see the Djibouti Kabas. Look out for the other update coming this week. We're keeping them short and precise, nice and clear, no rushing this time. I've had lots of comments from all of my subscribers about rushing. So I want to give you the time to enjoy the plant, see the new growth, see what's going on, even though we're going through a cold spell like never before. This Canadian cold spell is absolutely ridiculous, but it's okay. This is the polar spell is going to make us have lots of blossoms, lots of good stuff in here.
Yep. Have you showed them that you have June plums that are still in here?
Oh yeah, I showed them our June plums. I showed them we got ripe June plums too coming soon. Snickers wants to come in.
No, she's like, what are they doing in there?
She's not let me in. Oh, look, she's pushing her hand through, babes. Don't let the coal in. Let her in, let her in, let her in. Alright guys, ending with Snickers jumping in. She's gonna check out the greenhouse, do a little hunting, see if she finds anything. I need to go pile some dirt up where she stuck her hand on there. But thanks for tuning in. That's your boy OCJ. Let's name a few mangoes if we can. We got over here, that is the Maha Chinook. That's my soursop over there in the corner. We got Matuk right there. We got Akana and spinach. We got a mango from seed growing right there. We got coconut cream. We got over there on the side some Julie. This one right here is a sweet tart baby. Gave me the nicest mango last season. We got some Valencia Pride. That's this big one right here. We have cinnamon. We have...
There's more Scotch bonnet. They're actually putting out little peppers over here.
Yeah, there's lots of peppers, but
Yeah.
the aphids are getting us. I threw cinnamon leaf in there to protect the from the
And we
aphids.
also have the dill in there too.
Yep.
And then we also have, there's a lot of different,
All right, guys. Thanks for
soursop.
tuning in. Thanks for stopping by. The trees in the greenhouse, in the trees. Shout out with the wife. All right. God bless. Y'all have a great one. Thanks for stopping by. Tune in, like, and subscribe if you haven't as yet. And I'll be cooking up something today for y'all.